Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to sign up for a Distrokid account. It's very easy. In case you don't know, Distrokid is actually a music distribution service platform that allows you or helps you release your song on almost all music streaming platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, Audiomack, etc. So if you would like to have your song released on all music streaming platform, then you should use Distrokid. So I'm going to show you how you can sign up for an account in today's video. So how can you do that? Now the first step to take to do that is to head to a browser. It could be Chrome browser or any browser, and once you are on a browser, then you just have to go to distrokid.com, as you can see right here at the top. Then after that, you'll land on this page to sign up for an account, right? So what you're just going to do right now is to enter your email address right here and create a password, right? Create a password and confirm the password right here. But if you want to continue, or if you want to sign up with your Google account, you just go ahead and click on this sign up, then sign up with Google, and then you can sign up with your Google account, or you can sign up with your Apple ID, or you can sign up with your Facebook account. So I prefer signing up with my Google account, so I'm going to click on this sign up with Google, and then I'll have to choose the particular Google account I want to sign up with. So I'm going to choose this one. So after that, let's see what next. So the next thing we have to do right now is to choose a plan. So you just have to choose a plan before you can continue. The three plans right here, there's the musician plan, there's the musician plus plan, and the ultimate plan, and they all have different price range. The musician plan is the cheapest. It's for $1.92, while this one is $3.33, and this one is $7.50 per month each. So you just have to look at the packages it comes with. So this one comes with all these packages, and this one with all these packages. So just go ahead and look at all the packages and see the one that will work well for you. So after that, just click on pick me, and then if you click on pick me, the next thing you have to do guys is to enter your payments information, right? So just scroll down and payments, your credit card information. That's if you want to pay with your credit card, just go ahead and enter your credit card information right there. So let me see. So after entering your card name and everything, then you just have to enter some of your basic information like your name, your street address, your state name, just some basic information after entering your credit card information and saving it right and clicking on this join right there. So the next thing you have to do is just enter some basic information, and then you have a Distrokid account. So guys, that's how you can do it. So if you look right here at the top right corner, if you click on this drop down icon, you can sign out from your accounts anytime you want, right? So once you have an account, then you can be able to upload your song on Distrokid and have it released on any music streaming platform of your choice. So this is how you can actually do it. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more info tips like this.